Welcome to our video on the 2026 handheld gaming market. We are exploring the complex landscape of specs, ergonomics, and value, ranging from entry-level retro devices to high-end powerhouses. Hardware design presents clear trade-offs. Whether it is thermal efficiency in cooling assemblies or battery capacity, each choice impacts the final user experience. Current designs also show notable omissions, such as software and interface limitations. Sustained performance depends heavily on thermals and memory allocation. Larger chassis with active cooling maintain stable performance over time, while compact devices often throttle. Adequate memory is also crucial for preventing stutters in modern titles. This matrix maps the return on investment for mobile silicon. We weigh upfront costs against interface efficiency and system stability to help you identify the sweet spot for your needs versus diminishing returns. Interoperability varies by ecosystem. From the streamlined experience of SteamOS and locked console environments like the Switch, to the compatibility and overhead of Windows 11, each platform offers a different approach to your game library. We must also consider hidden costs. These include software friction on small touchscreens, potential for wrist strain with heavier devices, and pricing barriers that impact the accessibility of premium tiers. Here is a side-by-side validation of the major players. Comparing price, interface, battery life, and modding capabilities clarifies how these devices serve different segments of the market. To summarize, match your profile. If you want a plug-and-play experience, look at the Steam Deck or Switch 2. For desktop-like flexibility, consider the Ally X20. For budget or high-end professional needs, explore other alternatives.